So we're in module two. In module two, in this search engine optimization course, we're going to talk about setting SEO objectives. With a solid understanding of search engine optimization fundamentals, it's time to build the strategic layer, defining clear, measurable objectives that will guide every decision you make. So, setting SEO objectives. Before you optimize a single page or research a single keyword about your brand, you need to know what success looks like. You don't just wake up and say you want to implement SEO without setting clear objectives of what you want to achieve online. This module covers how to choose the right objectives for your business type and how to frame them in a way that drives action and earns stakeholders buy-in. Because stakeholders, business owners, they are also called stakeholders, they want to understand this amount of investment we want to invest in this SEO project. What are we going to get from it? What are we going to gain from it? What is the return on investment? So we have types of SEO objectives, understanding the full range of metrics and goals you can set depending on your business model. Setting objectives lends a SMART framework for defining goals that are clear, actionable, and measurable. Clear, actionable, and what measurable. What should you measure? SEO objectives are not one size fits all. The right objectives depend entirely on your business model. The business model for a brand that is into investment banking, the fintech industry, the e-commerce sector, the education sector, they are all different. When you talk about the banking sector, you are looking at how many people found about your brand product and visited your bank to create an account. When you talk about the educational sector, you're talking about how many people saw your content online, visited your institutional website to sign up as a student. So as a brand, each business model is different and each objectives are different for the different industries. So the objectives that a particular brands have set up for what they want to achieve in SEO in the financial sector is different from the one in the educational sector, is different from the one in the e-commerce industry. The key is to select metrics that connect SEO activity directly to business outcome or business objectives, not just vanity metrics like raw traffic. Types of SEO objectives. We have 8 categories of SEO objectives. Every business can find at least 2 or 3 of these objective categories that align with its commercial priorities. Remember, we talked about commercial keywords, commercial search intent, keywords that drives revenue. Now we're talking about objective categories that aligns with commercial priorities. Choosing the right mix ensures your SEO strategy is tied directly to business value. Your SEO strategy must tie directly to business value, business outcome. So one of these objectives, keyword, improve rankings for target keywords to increase organic visibility. Your keyword, which keywords are you ranking for? This keyword needs to be improved to what? Increase what? Organic word visibility. Lead generation, drive more qualified form submission, calls or sign up from organic search. How many students registered from organic search? Traffic, grow the volume and quality of organic visitors arriving at your website. Reputation and backlinks, build domain authority through high quality inbound links from industry sites. This particular aspect of reputation and backlinks, I've said it before, When you are implementing your search engine optimization and you are in the phase of implementing off-page optimization, you have to try as much as possible to ensure that the brands that are giving your website backlinks are high quality words, authoritative websites in the industry that has a very high domain word authority and that are almost close within the same industry that you play in. We have market share. Increase the percentage of organic clicks your brand captures within your category. It's all about market share. It's all about what market share. Can your brand capture at least 70% organic traffic from a particular word set of keywords? E-commerce, increase online sales and revenue attributed directly to organic search traffic. Increase online sales and revenue that are what directly attributed directly to organic traffic. This organic traffic from this particular set of keywords, are they the keywords? Are they the traffic that are driving the most revenue for us in this business? Brand awareness, expand the reach and recognition of your brand through organic search impression. Ad revenue, increase page views on ad monetized content to grow advertising revenue. This one deals with what Google AdSense, where the revenue in your brand, the revenue that your brand can generate from Google AdSense increase because the organic traffic to your website increase page views. We're going to talk about this later on in the course to see the impact of SEO in terms of increasing page views on ad monetized content. You understand? One thing you need to understand about these 8 categories of SEO goals, they are all important to businesses, but you have to ensure that which ones are priority to you. Lead generation, traffic, market share, e-commerce, reputation, backlinks, brand awareness, ad revenue, all important. The next thing we have to talk about is setting objectives. Make your objectives SMART. Vague goals produce vague results. The SMART framework ensures every SEO objective is clearly defined, actionable, tied to measurable outcome within a defined time frame. Your objectives must be specific, must be measurable, must be achievable, must be relevant, and must be timed. Do you want to achieve this result in 1 month, in 2 months, in 3 months? For example, grow our SEO market share from 3% to 5% in the next financial year. This is specific, measurable, actionable, and relevant. Here are 4 examples of well-crafted SMART SEO objectives. Notice how each one specifies a starting point, a target, and time frame. For example, keyword ranking. Move 50% of our top 20 keywords on the first page on Google within 9 months. Organic traffic. Improve our year-on-year organic traffic by 20% in Q1 and 25% in Q4. Market share. Grow our SEO market share from 3% to 5% in the next financial year. Backlink building. Build 12 relevant backlinks from recognized industry websites within 12 months. These recognized industry websites can be news platforms, can be editorial platforms, can be authoritative websites in the industry, forums, for example, Nairaland. So your objective needs to be specific, measurable, actionable, relevant, and timed. These 4 objectives demonstrate how the SMART framework applies across business model from lead generation, e-commerce to content publishing and brand awareness. So in terms of lead generation, you are talking about generating 15 more requests, a brochure leads from organic search within 3 months. e-commerce, sales of product, ad revenue, double the page views for our highest ad revenue pages within 24 months. Brand product awareness, raise product awareness by being referenced in 3 of the top 5 industry news websites in the next 6 months. I've said it before. There's no way you're going to succeed in terms of search engine optimization without you being referenced or without a content about you being published on a high domain authority website in the industry within your geographical location. We're going to talk about local SEO. You understand? Objectives by type. We have transactional sites, we have informational sites. When you talk about transactional sites, we are talking about e-commerce sites, non-e-commerce commercial sites. When you talk about informational sites, we are talking about blog, large publishers. You understand? Then have a goal, define your own SEO objectives. Now it's your turn to apply the SMART framework to a real hypothetical website. Follow these 3 steps to draft your first set of SEO objectives. First of all, I would like you to choose your website. Classify the site. Decide whether the website is primarily transactional, sells product, or generate leads, or informational, educate, inform, or build audience. This guides your objective type. Choose your top 3 objectives. You know, we mentioned 8 objectives, but here I want you to just choose your 3 top objectives using the 8 objectives category and the SMART framework. Write 3 clear, measurable SEO goals for your chosen website. Assign a time frame to each other. So, summary takeaway: why objectives matter. SEO objectives encourage buy-in from key stakeholders, CEOs, marketing managers, and clients by demonstrating the business value of organic search investment. Organic search investment is the most powerful investment that you can do as a business owner. Because when you do that, that is going to stay for a very long time. Your keywords can remain on first page on Google for the next 5, 10 years. As long as you are optimizing the pages, you are ensuring that relevant content are being published on the website, you ensure that the load time of the website is fast, you ensure that the mobile experience is fast, you ensure that the user experience is fast, then you have no problem. Then strategy alignment, well-defined objectives formulate your SEO strategy by creating a clear target and measurable goal to work towards, keeping the entire team focused. Always use SMART. SEO objectives should be specific, measurable, actionable, achievable, relevant, and timed. Achievable, relevant, and what? Timed. There must be a time. 3 months, 4 months, 5 months to ensure they drive real accountable what action. 8 objective types. Choose from keywords, traffic, market share, brand and product reputation, lead generation, reputation, backlinks, e-commerce, and ad revenue, picking the ones most aligned to your business model. Out of the 8 objectives, there are 3 that aligns with your business model. Just pick that. So the next course we are going to talk about is module 3, which deals with keyword research. In this module 3 that deals with keyword research, we'll be doing hands-on practical on different keyword research using specifically Google Keyword Planner. Thank you. This course is brought to you by Michael Onyeke Zariche, Search Engine Optimization Specialist, Hillsoft EdTech. Thank you.